viewers, we are starting with some breaking visuals coming in. This is NDA's vice presidential pick. The visuals, obviously, everyone had been waiting for. The Prime Minister felicitating CP Radhakrishnan. Very, very significant. The race for the vice presidential poll is heating up, and you can see those visuals on your screens of that felicitation which is happening. Remember, there was obviously, or rather which is still underway, the parliamentary party meeting, a crucial meeting of the NDA, and in that meeting you can see the Prime Minister at the moment felicitating CP Radhakrishnan. It's very, very significant, these visuals, viewers, because he is the VP pick. That race is escalating. What's happening on the INDIA side? We know that the opposition bloc, the INDIA bloc, obviously also leaving no stone unturned. We are expecting their pick to be finalized soon. Two names in the offing. We'll have to wait and watch who the opposition basically nominates or names, but Pragya, my colleague, on the joining us live on the broadcast. Pragya, take us through these visuals coming in. Very, very significant, obviously, these visuals coming in. Race for the vice presidential poll heating up. CP Radhakrishnan being felicitated.
Well, absolutely, in fact. Well, absolutely, and Prime Minister even given a very elaborate introduction of Mr. C.P. Radhakrishnan and also spoke about his sports talent. And in fact, he has said that he's a man of integrity and he is a man of principles. And not just that, many of the NDA allies, in fact, almost of the NDA ally leaders were present in this particular meeting. They came and they welcomed Mr. C.P. Radhakrishnan, thereby saying that this is, we are.
स्वागत किया, अभिनंदन किया और आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को धन्यवाद दिया। धन्यवाद विशेष करके कि ऐसा एक शख्सियत, बहुत ही सरल इंसान, जिन्होंने जीवन भर देश और समाज के लिए सेवा दी है और अनेक राज्यों में गवर्नर के रूप में काम किए हैं और पुडुचेरी में लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर के रूप में भी काम किए हैं। उनका परिचय आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने एनडीए संसदीय दल के बैठक में राधाकृष्णन जी का परिचय दिया है। परिचय के साथ साथ आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने अपील किया है कि उपराष्ट्रपति जी के इस चुनाव में जो उम्मीदवार एनडीए ने तय किया है, उनको पूरे पार्टी मिलकर के, सब पार्टी का दल, सब एमपी एक साथ आकर के सर्वसम्मति से समर्थन करें। ये आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने अपील किया है। आदरणीय सीपी राधाकृष्णन जी बहुत ही उपराष्ट्रपति पद के लिए बहुत अच्छा नाम है, ये सबने माना है और जीवन में कोई कंट्रोवर्सी नहीं है, कोई करप्शन नहीं है, कोई दाग नहीं है। बहुत सरल जीवन उन्होंने जिया है और सिर्फ समाज और देश के लिए काम किया है। ऐसा व्यक्ति देश का उपराष्ट्रपति बनेंगे तो देश के लिए बहुत खुशी की बात होगी। इसलिए आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी की ओर से पूरे विपक्ष के साथियों को भी विशेष करके अपील किया है कि श्री सीपी राधाकृष्णन जी का सर्वसम्मति से समर्थन करें। आदरणीय राजनाथ सिंह जी सबसे बात भी कर रहे हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि एक साथ मिलकर के उपराष्ट्रपति जी का चुनाव में सर्वसम्मति से राधाकृष्णन जी का सपोर्ट करें तो हमारा लोकतंत्र के लिए भी, हमारा देश के लिए भी और राज्यसभा को संचालन करने में भी बहुत उपयोगी होगी। तो एनडीए पार्टी के पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी के बैठक में सब पार्टी ने आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को भी धन्यवाद दिया कि बहुत ही अच्छा इंसान को और बहुत ही लायक नेता को उपराष्ट्रपति जी का चुनाव के लिए उम्मीदवार के रूप में उतारा गया है। धन्यवाद।
सर, प्रधानमंत्री ने Okay, that was Kiran Rijiju who was speaking during or after that NDA party meeting, talking about how the Prime Minister has urged all the NDA leaders to ensure that it is the VP pick of the NDA who wins the polls. That's obviously the appeal which has come from the side of the Prime Minister. Visuals of felicitation on your screens. Pragya, if you're still with us, can you take us through these visuals? Apologies, we had to interrupt you earlier as it was Kiran Rijiju who was speaking live. Okay, Pragya will come back and she's going to give us more details on the same. Why don't we tell you more about the visuals which are coming in? These are very significant visuals, viewers, as we were telling you. It is the Prime Minister felicitating the NDA's vice presidential pick. Pragya, I believe, is back on the phone line with us. Yes, Pragya, over to you. Take us through these visuals coming in.
Well, Prime Minister made a very elaborate introduction about Mr. C.P. Radhakrishnan, and he in fact said that he is a good name for VP. And in fact, he mentioned that all the parties are agreeing with that, the kind of personality he is, non-controversial, spotless life, during the service. And every opposition party is agreeing that he is a good candidate. Prime Minister also made an appeal to opposition, and he also said that Mr. Rajnath Singh is in touch with all the opposition parties and appeal to opposition that they should support his candidature, and there should be a consensus over his candidature. This has been appealed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Everyone thanked, in fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well, all the NDA allies, saying that they are very happy with the pick that Prime Minister has chosen, and it looks like that all the NDA parties are on board and they're happy with it. Mr. Rijiju also said that this is also a service to the nation, the kind of candidate that NDA had chosen as vice presidential candidate. It also helps in running the parliament smoothly. So this is, what Prime Minister spoke about. Mr. C.P. Radhakrishnan and all the NDA's allies welcomed him, and they were so happy with the candidature. And also government initiative as Prime Minister also appealed to opposition parties to support the candidature, as everyone also agree that he is a good candidate.
All right, Pragya, thank you for joining us with all these details. These are very, very, significant visuals which are coming in. Pragya obviously was taking us through the Prime Minister's messaging from that all crucial meet as well. That's obviously the Prime Minister felicitating the NDA's VP pick. Significant visuals coming in at the moment. Kiran Rijiju also speaking up after, obviously, that all crucial